And I am not a tax lawyer. They have LLM in taxation. Never had the interest of going into that. Even attorneys that don't have the LLM will understand the tax ramifications of all those. I tell the people, once we figure out what we're doing, then we get the accountant involved, and then we see if we have any conflict between what we're trying to do and what the accountant says, and work with the accountant. So there are, am I the person to tell you what to do in order to and take advantage of the best tax laws that there are? I am certainly not. So I do work closely with accountants on that, and I certainly disclose that that is not my field of expertise, and because of that I do not dabble in it. So that is for another professional to help me out with. It's interesting too, because a lot of people that are so-called professionals and that oftentimes get the accountants involved anyway. So sometimes you get double billing on that. Not always. I'm not trying to disparage the lawyers that do tax work. Certainly they can pick out possible litigation issues in the future that the accountant may not pick up. But certainly, yeah, that's outside of my field. So, you know, when we get done talking about everything, I'm like, who's your accountant? Let's talk to your accountant. If the accountant can't handle that kind, I find another one that can, or the client does. So I think that that is, for me anyway, may not be for everybody, but for me, everywhere, that really helps, protects the client, makes me be able to sleep at night so I don't give them bad advice on some kind of tax-related issue. And it doesn't take any longer, because usually I could just call the accountant up and go, here's what the plan is. Any tax ramifications to this that wouldn't be there, or if so, how could we accomplish what we want to do, given what I'm telling you from a tax standpoint? Maybe we can incorporate that into the language as well.